Hello everyone, my name is Vishal and in today's video we are discuss about the updates in NoteNest project. So the update is we purchased a NoteSea.xyz domain for our website because the NoteNest is not available on the Namecheap. So on the other hand, I create unresponsive or available UI for the landing page or login page. So recently you can see there only an login page visible, which is not look like real, and users are hesitate to do login or sign up with your with him details. So I create a full landing page for users where they can know about what our purpose and what we are do there. Like there are some multiple frequently asked questions which an user want to know. So there I give there are terms and condition page. You can easily read it. And on the other hand, when you want to log in, you easily give your details and you can log in our website. So this is the updates which I had previously, and I want to share you the database data. Like we have now 35 users, which is a great number for starting of the project or starting of the website. And on the other hand, if you want to give me some suggestion, you can easily message me on my LinkedIn. This is my LinkedIn page ID, and we create an Instagram page of NoteSea. And if you want to give some suggestions, you can message me here, and I. This is overall the project, and as you know, we provide affordable students projects. So I create one more thing in this, like e-commerce. I I create an डिटेल पेज जिसमें आप वीडियोस देख सकते हो, इमेजेस देख सकते हो एंड डिटेल्स दे सकते हो. So as you know, I create multiple YouTube videos. So there I create like 21 videos of every project and give there an videos. So you can see the tutorials before booking. And when you continue to book, this is the previously work as flow, and this is the major updates of our project. On the other hand, we add a section which is custom project section. So in previously I forgot to add this custom project section, and if you want to you create your custom projects and their variable prices, so you can contact me on this, as well as you can message on Instagram or on LinkedIn. So this is the updates of the project, and thank you.